Grow Spark is being promoted as a kid-friendly supplement that claims to boost growth, improve nutrition, and support overall development. But the real question is whether it actually helps kids grow or is just another overhyped product. The product is typically marketed as a capsule or gummy supplement containing vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts like astragalus, zinc, and vitamin K2, which are said to support bone growth and activate growth signals. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Nutrients like vitamin D, calcium, and zinc do play a real role in child development and bone health, especially if a child has deficiencies. However, here's the key issue. There's no strong independent clinical evidence proving that Grow Spark itself can significantly increase height or accelerate growth. Most of the claims, like boosting IGF-1 or showing visible growth in weeks, come directly from the brand's own marketing rather than verified medical studies. There are also concerns with this category in general. Many growth supplements for kids rely on theoretical benefits of ingredients, but actual height is largely determined by genetics, nutrition, sleep, and overall health, not a single supplement. User expectations can also be misleading. While some parents report small changes, these could be due to natural growth phases rather than the supplement itself. It's also important to understand that pediatricians usually recommend balanced diets, proper sleep, and medical guidance over relying on supplements unless there's a diagnosed deficiency. So, is Grow Spark a kid-friendly supplement or overhyped? It may help fill minor nutritional gaps, but it's unlikely to dramatically impact growth. The bottom line is that Grow Spark appears to be a typical children's supplement with some useful ingredients, but heavily overhyped with weak scientific proof behind its biggest claims. So expectations should be kept realistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.